I took a year off work last year to focus on pregnancy and being present at home, and my income stayed the same. My net worth stayed the same. And no, it's not because I have some huge team or got lucky. It's because of how I built my income stream. So in this video, I'll walk you through all of that and exactly how it worked out. Years ago, I was trying to figure out how to build income without being tied to a job or working nonstop long term. I knew I had to roll up my sleeves during the building phase, but planned on having semi-passive businesses down the road. So I started by building a house cleaning company and quickly realized how much of my attention it needed. Between employee turnovers, massive overhead expenses, and tedious day-to-day hands-on involvement, I decided to shut it down. Ultimately, I turned it into a referral agency model. I structured it to run without employees, without me being involved day to day. And essentially, it was acting kind of like an Uber that matched clients with cleaners. Over time, that created consistent income without demanding my immediate involvement. And as recurrent clients kept coming in, my business began to grow. And that income became consistent because, well, the clients were every week, every 2 weeks, or every 4 weeks. Once the systems and automations were put in place, I found myself having a lot more free time. And I began learning about real estate investing, listening to podcasts, reading books. Eventually, I bought a few properties with the money that I had saved up. Surprisingly, investing in real estate actually didn't require as much money as I had thought, but that's a whole nother topic you can learn in the video I'll link at the end. When I say I took time off, I wasn't completely disconnected, but I did reduce my involvement to about 30 minutes a week for my referral agency business. And maybe I would say about an hour a week for my real estate rental portfolio, which is 6 units. For my cleaning agency, most of the day-to-day operations were handled by my virtual assistant, including scheduling, communications, problem solving, and recruiting cleaners. My role included weekly check-ins, reviewing numbers, making small decisions, as we were not doing any major projects during this time, so they were all just minor details. So here's where my income actually came from during this time. This is the breakdown. My cleaning referral agency, my rental properties, my online course, my investment portfolio, and my real estate referral income. So let me break that down about why each of these matter. And it's not just about having multiple streams, it's about what role each one plays. So let's get into it. First, my cleaning referral agency. It's the foundation. This is my most consistent, predictable income because of the recurring clients. But what really matters is that it's systemized. So with my VA and the process that I've put in place, it doesn't rely on me showing up daily. And that's what gives me the stability first. Then my real estate properties add another layer of consistency, but in a different way. They don't just bring in cash flow, they actually cover our living expenses, contribute to maintenance expenses, and they're paying down debt for me over time. So even in months where cash flow fluctuates, maybe seasonality or people are traveling more for the holidays or staying home when it's hot, my net worth is still growing in the background through equity and appreciation. Then you have my online course. So my online course is essentially leverage. I took what I already knew and packaged it into a course. I did it once and I go back to revise the course every now and then. We recently did a major overhaul and update, but now it can continue to generate income without me repeating that same work over and over again. I just get to help new students as they onboard and participate in helping them change their lives. But it's not just income, it's scalable income, and it's also meaningful work for me when I get the opportunity to mentor. My investment portfolio, this is long-term positioning. This is where I'm funneling excess income so it can grow without any effort from me. It also comes with tax advantages when I make tax-deductible contributions to my retirement accounts or health savings accounts, which most people overlook, but that plays a big role in keeping more of what you make in your own pocket. And then real estate referral income. That's more opportunistic. I'm not actively working as a agent day to day, but when opportunities come up, I can connect people with the right agent and still earn a referral commission. So it keeps me in the game without requiring my time day to day the way traditional real estate sales would. The key thing across all of this is none of them require me to show up every single day to make money. And all of this started with one income stream, the cleaning referral agency. That first business really changed everything for me. It gave me consistent cash flow, which has allowed me to feel stable in the first place. It gave me the ability to then qualify for loans that actually allowed me to start investing, not just dream about it or listen to it on podcasts. And it gave me flexibility. I wasn't tied to showing up every day. So when life shifted, I could step back. It even played a role in things like maternity leave when I had a baby and unemployment benefits when COVID hit in 2020, which I honestly didn't fully appreciate or even realize these benefits when I first set up the business. From there, I didn't try to do everything at once. I used that foundation to start buying real estate. And I kept refining my systems so that my businesses needed me less and less. And then slowly, I layered on another income stream over time. So when you look at it now, it might seem like it's a lot, but it wasn't overnight and it wasn't all at once. It was built step by step, very intentionally. Most people think that they need multiple businesses, a big team, or some complicated setup, but it really comes down to this. Build one solid business the right way from the start and let that be the thing that funds everything else, kind of a trickle down effect, if you will. If your income only comes in when you show up, then you don't really have freedom. And I know that it might have to be that way to start as you build the business, but if you keep the end in mind, you will consistently make decisions that will shift your business towards a freedom lifestyle business as opposed to having shackles around your ankle, making it a lot harder to step away or create a life where you can actually enjoy your time now through income and cash flow today and still be able to set up for the future through real estate and retirement account growth over time. If you're in a place where you're working a lot, making money, but still feeling tied to it, this is exactly why I share this. Because more income doesn't always mean more freedom. And it really comes down to how that income is built. And if you want to understand the model that started all of this for me, I put together a free training that walks through exactly how the referral agency model works step by step. It's linked below. Now check out these other videos and I'll see you in the next one.